Hi there. If you click on this video, it means that you are interested in topics related to health and science. So let's see what are stem cells and how can they reverse aging. Imagine your body is a big house, and stem cells as the construction workers. Just as a construction worker can become an electrician, a plumber, or a carpenter, stem cells can turn into different kinds of cells too. Our bodies have lots of them. They're everywhere from our bones to our brains. First of all, stem cells are like the raw materials for our bodies. You see, when a baby is born, the umbilical cord is like a little lifeline between the baby and the mother. It has lots of stem cells in it that can be collected after the baby is born. Some treatments use a few million cells, while others might use hundreds of millions. Another source is fat, if you heard that right, fat. For example, scientists haven't figured out how to turn them into sperm or egg cells. And there are ethical concerns about using certain types of stem cells. Despite these challenges, stem cells offer hope for millions of people who are suffering from chronic diseases. They may not be the miracle cure, but they are definitely a step in the right direction. You see, as we get older, we lose lots of stem cells. This means that our bodies aren't able to repair themselves as well. But if we could somehow boost the number of stem cells in our bodies, maybe we could slow down the aging process. Some people believe that stem cells might even be the key to immortality. Who knows? Maybe one day, we'll be able to live forever, thanks to stem cells. It turns out that fat tissue has lots of stem cells that can be used for things like repairing joints. And then, there's bone marrow, which is the stuff inside our bones that makes blood cells. It's been used for a long time to find stem cells. One of the coolest things about stem cells is that they can fix damaged stuff in our bodies. Let's say we fall down and scrape our knee. That means they can make lots of copies of themselves and turn into lots of different kinds of cells. The stem cells rush to the area, like little first responders. They turn into skin cells and help heal the wound. One way is through injections. The stem cells are put into a syringe and then injected into the affected area. For example, if someone has knee pain, the cells might be injected into the knee joint. They are kind of like our body's repair team. But wait, there's more. Stem cells can also replace old or worn out cells. As we get older, some of our cells stop working properly. For example, if you have arthritis, the cartilage in your joints might get damaged. Stem cells can step in and become new cartilage cells, helping to repair the joint. And here's the really amazing part. Unlike most of our cells, stem cells can keep dividing over and over again. Now you might be wondering, where do these amazing stem cells come from? Well, there are a few different sources. One is the umbilical cord. So how exactly are stem cells used to treat diseases? Now you're probably wondering how many stem cells are used in these treatments? Well, it depends on the problem. Now let's talk about how stem cells might help us live longer. Finally, it's important to know that stem cells aren't a cure-all. There are some limits to what they can do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed the video. I will see you on our next video.